that?
There's something you don't see anymore. Telephone. Yeah. On the street.
Yeah. Is it working?
Maybe. Probably have to use a credit card, I bet.
It's silent. Hi, I'm Fernanda. If this is your first time here, James and I travel to different states to take you to the attractions, resorts, and restaurants. Subscribe if you'd like to see our next video, and leave a comment if you got value out on this video.
It's a beer and wine place.
Watch this thing. Don't trip on it.
Yeah.
Well, step up.
Oh, always welcome. See other mansion.
Want to get the things in the car?
Oh, yeah, the mailbox. Yeah, okay. We'll just walk down here.
Or
And
do you want to bring it to another place?
No, we'll get it. I ain't gonna run down to get it now. On the reality. Realism. Waterfront dining. An ice cream place. Sugar's Shack. Society, windmill, you can see right here. And looking, you can see the bridge, Newport Bridge down in the background. So we're not going in because it's closed today. So I'm just taking a picture from the road. So this is the town of Jamestown, the Recreation Center. You got a teen center. We'll walk along Conanicut Avenue.
Record center, records office.
Yeah. So we got Bank of Newport. Just looking around. So this is the Bank of Newport.
You mean the High Life? You mean the place on the across from the, where's the thing? The
Rhode Island.
huh? one, is that maybe the building across from Long Wharf?
Yeah, this is it right here. See it? The camera.
See that gate? Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty high too. Huge house. Huge wall. Huge wall in front of it. Lots of property.
They don't open this too much. Chicken wire.
Lots of property. The place is huge. The house is huge. There's ships. They had a chicken wire on the bottom so that bunnies and kitty cats and dogs don't go through. Wow, what a curve. What a curved corner.
Big houses over there near the water.
Well, they even put that over there because of how curved this thing is.
Look at these, the top of these houses. Or
And they're
combs
houses,
on
you know,
top.
individual houses.
Yeah.
They're so on top of each other, looks like they're all the same property, but it's not. The houses are huge. We're gonna go up or across?
Yeah, I think we're going to cross. Hold on.
Look at this big house over here that's hiding behind the wall.
I'll film it when that woman walks by.
And they have a huge tank over here that's all rusted.
Yeah. There's the house.
Big houses. These flowers are still going up.
Yeah.
I think that's supposed to be the, what do you call it? Oh, okay, what's the name of that? Ooh, this is supposed to climb, James.
Okay.
Climb. Look at these houses, they're humongous.
So this is Ken's Barber Shop. Located there.
Public parking back here. See, sign.
Yeah.
You can just about close that. I don't think that this place is operating right now. Look how tall this is. Look how tall this is. This huge place. Nothing's happening over here. It's so quiet.
Walking towards our car right now, and this is Narragansett Avenue to the right.
And what is this one over here that we're on?
This is Narragansett looking up. That's Narragansett Avenue.
This is
Cornelius Avenue right here.
Cornelius?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not the name. You sure? I don't know what it is.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Where's the sign?
Don't have any. says bakery and cafe.
Parking is allowed on North Road. North Road. West side only. What does that mean?
I don't know which
Where
side's
are we?
which.
It's already
Yes.
closed.
Is it?
Yeah.
2 p.m.?
Came too late.
Oh, okay. I guess they're closed. Oh, well.
Drink, breakfast sandwiches, and coffee.
Okay.
How about that? Came too late.
Yeah.